Assalamualaikum student, welcome to our science class. I am your science teacher from United Public School Tandur. In our previous class, what we have discussed, ma'am? Yes, about the plants, about the leaf now. So, what's our chapter name? Plants preparing and storing food. So we have discussed about the part of leaves and function of the part of leaves now. Now today we are going to discuss about more about the leaf. So you can see this picture. What is this, ma? This is a stomata. What is this? This is a stomata. Okay. The surface of a leaf contains tiny openings called stomata. We can see them only through a microscope. Stomata help the plants to breathe air, enter and move out of the leaves through them. Okay. So what is the mean of stomata? Stomata means a tiny holes on the surface of the back surface of the leaf. So you can take one leaf and fit on the microscope. What is a microscope? Do you want to see that? Let's see. Yes. This is a microscope. You can see the stomata through the microscope. I will show you the structure in our next video. Okay. So what is the function of stomata? So stomata means a small tiny opening holes upwards on the leaf surface. So that's known as the stomatas. What is the function of stomatas, ma? Yes, it works as our nose. What is the function of our nose? Yes, it's help us to breathe now. Likewise, stomata help the plants to breathe air, enter and move out of the leaves. Okay. जैसे हमारी नाक होती है ना, हम सांस लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं, वैसे ही क्या है, स्टोमेटा भी प्लांट को हेल्प करता है ब्रीथ करने के लिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डू लीव्स प्रिपेयर फूड? डू यू नो अबाउट हाउ डू लीव्स प्रिपेयर देयर फूड? No, na? So let us discuss about that. Leaves prepare food using water, mineral and carbon dioxide with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay. Leaves prepare their food. How can they prepare their food, ma? With the help of water, mineral, carbon dioxide and sunlight and chlorophyll. If they want to prepare their food, these things should be present there. Okay. The surface of a leaf is usually green. The surface of the leaf is usually upper surface of a leaf is usually green. Then the lower surface as the upper surface has more chlorophyll. So you can see, take one leaf. So the upper layer, which is the upper layer? This is the upper layer of a leaf now. So it is more green than the backside leaf. You can see that now. It's light color, but it is a so dark color. So why? Because the chlorophyll is more than backside. Okay. Now the process by which plants preparing their own food from carbon dioxide and water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. What is the mean of the photosynthesis, ma? Yes, photosynthesis mean a plant is preparing their own food by their own present of carbon dioxide, water, mineral, sunlight, chlorophyll. So this process is known as the photosynthesis. What is the mean of photosynthesis, ma? Preparing own food. Okay. Who is preparing their own food? Yes, plants with the help of water, mineral, yes, sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. So this process is known as photosynthesis. In the word photosynthesis. What is the mean of the photosynthesis? So there is two words, photo and synthesis. It's made by photo and synthesis. What is the mean of photo? Photo means light. Photo means light. Which light? Yes, sunlight. Which light ma? Sunlight. And synthesis mean, what is the mean of synthesis? To put together. That means the mineral and all the minerals and all the things put together. Okay, so this process is known as the photosynthesis. In present, how it's work? The presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, mineral, chlorophyll. Okay, student. So today's your homework is what we have discussed about in this video, ma? About the stomata and about the photosynthesis process now. So today's your homework is, you have to draw the picture of stomata and you have to write the definition of the photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis is your homework. Okay, write with your neat handwriting 2 times. Okay, and submit in the group. Okay ma, thank you.